is waiting for you. Didn't have way. He was waiting for you.
Arrive at your destination at 11:08 a.m.
The traffic light, we are going straight ahead, please, yeah.
After 100 yards, go straight on Berghaus Lane. Go straight on. You will arrive at your destination at 11:10 a.m. You will arrive at your destination at 11:04 a.m.
Traffic light, we are going straight ahead, please. So when we get to the test center, I'm going to put the navigation on for you. Yeah. Do you have any questions while we are on the way to the test center?
After 800 yards, keep left.
No, and every time I do a mock test, would you say every time it's always different or is it similar?
After
Very similar
300
mistakes.
yards, keep left.
Is it always like, I always think it's always to do with priority or...
No, it's not judgments. For example, then when we were coming out of the road, in the main road, and there was a motorbike across the road. You said he has priority. Yes, even I know he has priority. But why is he not moving then? Why is he looking at you and not moving? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So stop there for you to move first so that he can go.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's the judgment. You need to react quickly to these things. Though, yes, you know the rule. You know he has priority, fair enough. That's good. But then think, why is he not moving then?
Keep left.
Go into the middle lane, behind the truck. That's it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And these are the things that you need to think about. Even the examiner knows what's priority, but then why is that person not going? There has to be a reason, right?
Yeah.
And what's that reason? The stuff for you is giving you way. If someone's giving you way, why are you not taking it? We are going straight ahead, please. Thomas, your fail on the mock test is from very, silly mistakes. You know it.
After 800
You know
yards,
what you have to do, what's
turn
the right
left,
ways of doing it.
A641,
But you still
Bradford
do it
Road.
the
I
opposite.
think also the situation. For example, if it's there right of way,
Yeah.
I look at it as of no rush me pushing forward.
No, that's fine. But think about, is there right away? Fine, you don't want to push
After
forward. I
400
understand
yards,
that.
turn
But then
left.
why is that person not moving now? Even though it's there right away, they are not moving. Why? Think of that.
Yeah.
Or if the car is very, very far, even if they have right away, but the car is very far, can you go quickly?
Yeah. Right.
Turn left at the traffic lights, please. It looks like there's traffic on Bedford Road. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So things like that. Now I understand obviously you don't want to rush with it, which is a good thing. You shouldn't rush at all when you're driving anyway. You know, you need to drive nice and steady, enjoy the drive, you know. Because obviously the more you rush with things, the more likely you are going to make mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing that you don't want to rush with things, but there are some points, some occasions where you have to make a quick decision.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't say, oh, I don't want to rush on that. Though not rushing or not making that quick decision can sometimes cause something dangerous as well. Yeah.
After 50 yards, turn left, A641, Bradford Road. Bear left.
For example, say we are waiting to give way to the oncoming cars. In your mind, you think they have priority, but the car is very far and you are still waiting for that car. What are people behind you gonna do?
They're gonna get frustrated.
They're gonna get frustrated. They're gonna try and overtake you dangerously.
Yeah.
And by them doing that, they're gonna put you in
After
danger,
300 yards, turn right, Willow Lane.
put other people in danger, and put the oncoming car, put themselves in danger. Just because you want to wait for that car. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So you have to think about everything. You have to think all around your car. You should know what's happening in front, behind you, and around your car.
Like it's a large vehicle coming now.
Yeah. Who came here first? Did you come here first or the large vehicle came here first?
I did.
So who should go then?
Me.
There you go.
It's not. That's got nothing to do with planning ahead.
No? It is planning ahead. You came here first. That's like you going shopping. When it's your turn to pay at the till, you see someone else, you say, you know what, you go. I'm not paying. I'll wait. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Turning right at the roundabout. Please taking the second exit. Look only the right side. Don't bother about anybody else. And that's it. So now they came here first. What do we need to do?
Stop.
So stop here. Don't go any forward. Stop here. Because you are going, otherwise going too close to the cars on the left side. After that, is it safe for us to go?
Yeah.
So move away from the cars and straight away into the middle. Now, who came here first now?
Yeah.
You or that car?
Me.
So who's going first?
Me.
Simple. Continue. They're now stopping, drop your speed. That's it. Stop here. Because there's not enough room for you to go forward. So let them go. Make some space. And now you can continue forward. That's it. And move away. Look at the car coming.
So what-
Does he have gap on the right side behind the red car? Or yellow car, sorry?
Yeah.
The orange. That's it. Did you have to unnecessarily brake? No. We are going straight at the traffic light. Keep more to the left. That's it. Good. Pedestrian crossing, just scan both sides of the road. Now look what's happening at the front. The car wants to turn left.